me, but 5 cheetahs have been asking me all week. You can have a go on these, standing up, skating, with one foot on. If you want to go fast and skate, then dance. Let's get. If I want to go really fast, like this, like that.
What else have they been asking you to do?
Making me do exercise and making Tess composer of the wash and making you having a wash.
The cheetahs have had a wash?
Yeah.
Where?
In the special washing machine here.
Oh, okay. How does that work?
I don't have to do this sometimes.
Oh, okay. Show me how it works.
This is here. Special thing in, and it's that big.
Okay.
And the washing machine, I'll tell you how heavy it is. 100% heavy. And I'm going to make it go ready. It should be very, very bubbly.
With the cheetahs in it?
Yes.
Are they done now?
No.
How long?
It's going to be on all night.
Okay.
It'll be done in the morning.
Okay, will they be all dry?
Yes.
And do they mind going round and round and round?
Yeah, they have 21 knots. 21.
Okay. And does it dry them as well?
Yes. And there's funny things with them.
What sort of funny things?
If they stop at the hole, they go stuck in. And do really weird things. And push one the other way.
Oh, okay.
And then they do it again and again.
And when they're all dry and clean, what do they look like?
Really shiny and a bit more.